Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Looks like I got a CN freight train here at Des Courcelles Street. And it's heading eastbound at about 4 o'clock, 4:15 p.m. Oh yeah. Cool. Yeah, so this freight is at Des Courcelles Street on Halloween Eve, 31st of October, 2022. Kind of a cloudy day, but a really cool place to film trains. And it's not a usual spot where I end up filming from. It's usually on the other side. But since the cloud is there, the sun's not going to ruin it, so I can film here. So I'm going to use the cloud to my advantage. And at this time, usually the sun is setting, and it would ruin a shot like this. Yeah, it's not a long train, this. Probably the transfer run heading to Southwark Yard in the South Shore. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.